Speaking of commercial developments, Broadcom has released its Tomahawk 6 Ethernet switch chip, the first to deliver 102.4 terabits per second of bandwidth on a single chip. Designed for large AI data centers, it connects thousands of GPUs quickly and efficiently using advanced routing and energy saving features. The chip aims to replace proprietary tech like InfiniBand with open Ethernet standards and helps build faster and more flexible AI networks. We saw the 51.2T last year. It's interesting to see the 102T this year. Stephen, is this a revolution or an evolution?
Well, I think Broadcom wants it to be a revolution, but frankly, this is, let's say, continuing the march of progress that they have already made with their Tomahawk series. If you're not familiar with the Tomahawk, as Alistair mentioned, we did get a look at it actually back. We looked at the Tomahawk 5 back in 2022, 23, as well as at our Cloud Field Day event in 2024, where we got a kind of a deep dive into what this is all about and how Tomahawk can be used to accelerate AI and cloud workloads. It should come as no surprise to anyone who watched that, like Al did and I did, that a Tomahawk 6 was on the way, and here it is. It has sort of the requisite improvements that you would expect from the next generation switch. It's built on the 3 nanometer process from TSMC. It's, as you said, twice as fast in terms of switching capacity in a single chip, double the bandwidth. One of the features or factors that I want to call attention to is one of the things that you said there, though, and that's the Certus. So here's the thing. Uh, Many of us are, even in the tech industry, unaware of the importance of the Certus, which is literally the way that these interfaces connect with other chips. The Ethernet Certus roadmap is extremely strong, extremely high performance. And the reason is because so many of the processors out there have plenty of Ethernet bandwidth. Even if they appear to have plenty of PCIe bandwidth, Ethernet is really sort of the king of the castle. And the Tomahawk 6 as a Ethernet interconnect for HPC and AI workloads makes sense mainly because of that sort of synergy between the Ethernet Certus and the processors that are being used out there. So when you look at interconnect technologies, one of the things that you should ask yourself or ask the vendor is this sort of Ethernet flavored or is this sort of PCI Express flavored? And frankly, as much as it's maybe surprising for people to learn, the Ethernet flavored interconnects and Certus, like the things that are supported by the Tomahawk, are frankly there's more of them. They're higher performance. There's more bandwidth, and that means that essentially you're going to get more performance for less from those. So by introducing this next generation Tomahawk, by doubling the bandwidth, by supporting 100 gig and 200 gig Certus, what it means is that Broadcom is going to continue to cement itself as the central interconnect, not just for networking, but for HPC and AI applications, simply because they're taking advantage of the fact that this is the dominant standard out there. So it's really great to see Broadcom pushing forward on this. Is it revolutionary? Well, it's great. I don't know if it's revolutionary. I don't know if it's unprecedented, but I'll tell you what, they're going to sell a ton of these things simply because it's super fast and frankly, it represents the next generation of connectivity.